friends, Clarisa here. Stay tuned for this video. Important information about how to turn your genes that commands the cells to return to youth. Stay tuned, my friends. See you in a few minutes. Hello, my lovely friends on YouTube. Clarisa here. I am back with another video. How are you? I hope you're doing good. And this video is going to be important. When it comes to anti-aging, it's important, isn't it? Because we want to look youthful, healthy, and always looking younger than our real age. So but first, I'd like to say thank you so much for everything, for all the comments and all the beautiful comments. Yes, and the love. Thank you so much, and thank you for taking your time. So this video is going to be about how to turn the genes that commands the cells to return to youth. And I am going to show you a specific product, and also I'm going to be talking about how to maintain the density of your skin using several products that really works. And so let's start the video. Okay, so when it comes to you know, turn those genes that commands the cell to return to youth, we require a product that will be able to stimulate the cell renewal. Therefore, collagen production takes place. This is the product. The company name is Clinical GENEXC Serum. This company specializes in formulas that are combined with different enzymes, like I said, to help turn those genes that commands the cells to return to youth. And they use a combination of extremophilic enzymes and hydrolyzed proteins, amino acids, vitamin C, and this product helps with the cell renewal, the activation of the cell renewal, for the stimulation of your own protein fibers to maintain the density, to maintain the skin cells youthful, and so send signals to those genes to maintain the skin cells younger. And so this is medical grade. You could find it at any dermatologist's office. If you have a dermatologist doctor, you'll be able to find it. Go online. I will put the information as well. So also this product, due to the combination of extremophilic enzymes, helps to maintain the skin protected from the environment, from the radiation, from the free radicals, and always regenerating those cells, always maintaining the longevity of the cells. And so a very good product with amazing results. It is a revolutionary product. I have here the little information, and it's a groundbreaking serum. It is probably last year they come out with this, or 2 years ago, but it has a high technology. It has active ingredients that will help to maintain the cell activation and the longevity of those genes. So I will put the information in the description box. And now we're going to talk about how to maintain the density of our skin, how to maintain the skin elastic, how to maintain the skin you know, stimulated in order to produce collagen and elastin. And so I have talked in other videos the importance of exfoliation. You know, having a European training, exfoliation, it's a must. Without exfoliation, your skin properly cannot produce collagen. You need to treat the surface of your face to be able to see the radiance and and the glow on your skin. So I am going to recommend some products right here. Okay, one of the products that I have right here is Eva Naturals. It's a collagen stimulating skin repairing peptide complex. This formula actually is formulated with amino acids because peptides are a source of amino acids. So they had formulated with different type of amino acids to support the density of the skin, to send signals to the cells to stimulate collagen. And these also are very good to smooth wrinkles, and very potent because the amount of amino acids that this formula has, it's very good, and it really does the work. This is not expensive. You could find it online. It's Eva Naturals, and so very good to apply it after derma rolling or derma planning or any type of exfoliation, so those amino acids will penetrate deep into the cells to send signals for the production of more collagen. Okay, so this is another serum, and we have talked about glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, it's an ingredient that has a small molecular structure that penetrates into you know, the top layer of the skin to help exfoliate. Therefore, you're going to be stimulating those protein fibers, which are a great structure to maintain the density of your skin, to maintain the skin firm and elastic. And this is the GLYCOLIX treatment pads, and this is 20%. So after you clean your skin, what you do is use one of these little pads that are in here. I don't want to put my finger to prevent bacteria, but this has, you know, these small pads that you go all over your face, using all over your face, and I will help to exfoliate and maintain the radiance as well, besides stimulating collagen. And it's 20% glycolic acid. It has a liposomal, vitamin C, vitamin A, E, and CoQ10. It is a very, very strong formula. I use it once a week because it's very, very strong, 20%. And also it comes in a cream as well. The same thing has the liposomal delivery system to be able to penetrate into the skin, and 20% facial cream. And so I hardly use it. I had used a little bit. It's very strong, so don't use the pads and the cream together. It's either. So this is a great way to maintain the density of your skin, exfoliating, stimulating collagen, and then after the skin is exfoliated, products are going to penetrate better. The pores are going to be nourished in a much higher level. Another product that I want to show you, it is a peptide formula by Peter Thomas Roth. This product, it is very concentrated in peptides. It has 72% of neuropeptides and peptides. It's one of the formulas in the cosmetic world that has the more peptides. And peptides, I had explained before in other videos the importance. Peptides are responsible to send signals to the cells in order to maintain the density of your skin, in order to stimulate collagen, and all the protein fibers will be stimulated. That way the skin will be firmer and more elastic. And so this is called the UN-WRINKLE Turbo Face Serum, and a potent combination of different peptides will help with deep wrinkles. If you really use time after time. So you need to be using this product, you know, for a long time in order to see results. In 4 weeks you will see some results, but if you continue using, you're going to see a difference. And you could use this also if you don't want to buy the Thomas Roth peptide serum. You could use this instead, which is called the Peptide Complex Serum. Even though it says Peptide Complex Serum, it is a combination of different amino acids, because peptides by itself, by nature, it is a combination of different amino acids with a very small molecular structure to penetrate into the skin and send those signals to repair the skin. So either one, you could use it. Both products are fantastic. And now I am going to talk about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, which comes in these bags right here. And this is for the eyes, and this is right here for the face. So I'm gonna show you, come in little envelopes. But the reason I brought this product is because dehydration of the skin will affect the density of your skin, because it will affect the protein fibers in a way that they will become brittle and then break down, and that's why your skin starts wrinkling and sagging. And so this has a dual moisture action, because it has 2 times extron, I should say, of hyaluronic acid, and has a technology called Chloronox CB technology that helps to smooth the skin, and it helps to provide that dual moisture into your skin. It's 2 times stronger in hyaluronic acid, like I mentioned, and so hydration is a must. I had mentioned in other videos that dehydration of the skin equals to a sagging, wrinkled skin. It's the same as the hair. If the hair is not hydrated, it breaks down. The hair shaft, the fiber of the hair breaks down. So it's the same concept with the skin. And so it comes in these envelopes right here. This is my 3rd one. This is brand new. I just got it. And this is for the face. And what you're going to do, you know, of course, you have to exfoliate your skin after derma rolling or derma pen or microneedling. Derma rolling and microneedling is the same thing, but any type of exfoliation, you apply this immediately, leave it for 10 minutes, I leave it longer. And the same thing with the eyes. It comes in these small envelopes. You have to push a little, like a little, it's like a little button to release all the combination of the formula, all the combination of ingredients in this formula. So this is for the eye, and also says leave it 10 minutes, so I always leave it longer. And so this is the video for today, and I hope you like it. And you know, like I mentioned in other videos, we need a lot of maintenance. If we really are fanatic and I shouldn't say obsessed. I'm kind of obsessed to maintain my health and looking younger than my natural age. And it takes maintenance. It takes time, it takes discipline, it takes money. But it is a job. But to me, actually, because it's my passion, it's not really a job, it's really a therapy. When I do all my rituals and skin regimens and body regimens, and don't forget that facial workouts, it's another way to create density in the muscles, to firm up the skin. And I mentioned in several videos that facial workouts, what happens is that when you do it, those muscles will be with more volume, almost like a little cushion to firm up your face. And I am very big in facial workouts. Facial workouts, if done properly and done with discipline, it takes place of plastic surgery. I know I have a lot of comments, I shouldn't say a lot of comments, but a few comments of people telling me that I have plastic surgery. And it is fine that you tell me, I mean, if you assume that I have plastic surgery, but to leave comments with insults and you know, one comment saying that I look like 80 years old, and it's unnecessary. I have said it before in another video a long time ago, that studies were done, and it is proven that a person that has a lot of hate and their soul and their being, that person, their IQ levels are very low. They have a way to escape those, how could I say, a way to escape of admitting that they are not very intelligent by insulting others. And so it is proven that these type of individuals are not capable to even understand what a topic is being said. And so because of that lack of understanding, they try to cover with hate and insults. So it's very bad and sad. So friends, I wish you the best. I wish that you guys are close to me to be able to help you and give you treatments, but that's not the case. But at least I'm able to do the videos to help you. And you take care. I'll see you next time. Be safe, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye. Ciao.